Hello, in this video, we will learn how to change the country on Twitter. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the Twitter application. Click on your profile picture. A menu will appear, click on Settings. Then, select Account and Privacy from the settings. Now, I will click on Account. Specify the account information. From here, you can add the country. Search for your country in the search field. Select the country from the menu. This page will appear. Click on Change. As you can see, the country of residence has been successfully added. Finally, please support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with all our new videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.